Where is the best place in the world to see the Northern Lights? Norway? No way. Iceland? Maybe Finland. What if I said Canada? Yep, that's right. You can also ride with sled dogs, do burnouts on a snowmobile, and chase frozen waterfalls. But the best thing about this place? It's still affordable compared to the Scandinavian countries. In this video, we're showing you how to make the most out of your sub-Arctic adventure while you're waiting for the skies to explode in shades of green, pink, and maybe purple. One more thing, always listen to your guide's instructions.
Oh no. Oh no.
So we've just arrived into Yellowknife, the capital of the Northwest Territories in Canada. Known mainly as a mining town, but since COVID, the tourism industry has really begun to grow. Not just for Aurora hunting, but for all types of winter experiences. While waiting to collect our bags, I sat with the thought, what if the weather's bad? What if we don't see any lights? We woke up the next day feeling excited and ready to explore the town.
So here we are in the wonderful Yellowknife. It's minus 26 degrees Celsius and we are about to go find a frozen waterfall. I'm assuming it's frozen. I'm not sure if it will be, but judging by the temperature, it makes complete sense.
Over the coming days, we'd find out just how elusive this waterfall was. We found a lake, but no waterfall. We quickly realised that though beautiful, this place was no joke.
Welcome to Yellowknife.
Our hands and feet had started to go numb, and even the GoPro stopped working. We retreated, defeated, frozen. Waterfall 1, us 0. After warming up, we geared up properly and set out again. This time, ready for the cold.
We're prepared, you think? Crampons.
Who got gloves? Who got
We're good to go.
We're headed to Frame Lake. It's only a short walk from the town centre.
Here we are, walking on a frozen lake. I'm still scared. I'm scared about this.
We're not as heavy as that snowmobile over there.
Even though Evelina reminded me about the snowmobile tracks, I still carefully follow her every step. I couldn't help but think if this cracks, we're both gone. I mean, we don't have any frozen lakes in Australia.
In the middle of the lake, the winter wonderland. Is it?
Yellowknife is very walkable, but I highly recommend renting a car. At that desk, you'll find a map of the Aurora viewing spots. Fun fact, you can drive to the exact same locations that the tours take you. So if you're comfortable driving on icy roads, go for it.
We found the whip. Oh yeah, baby.
It'll save you money for all the other epic winter activities.
How did you manage to fall?
Don't leave your accommodation without crampons, seriously. It's a slippery boy out there.
We've collected the car.
Now we're ready to go for our first night of Aurora hunting.
So we're heading out, Evelina.
We're heading out.
It's the first night we're going to go out. It does say it's going to be a little bit cloudy, but let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. If not, we'll just sit in the cold for many, many hours. It's currently minus 28. At least we can stay in the car and be warm. So last night we went out for the first time to go see the lights. At the start, it was a little bit slow, but once it got going, it got going. The whole sky was illuminated. The only thing is that it was that cold. We had to constantly go in from the car, warm up, come back out. We'd constantly just jump in and out, in and out. The people that live here, they're a different breed. But yeah, we ended up packing up the night at about 12:30, I think, and coming back. The Aurora app said that the rest of the night was going to be quite quiet. So we're using the app called My Aurora, and one thing that we noticed is that when it says that it's going to be visible or that the activity is increasing, it generally it's a bit delayed. So it'll be anywhere between like half an hour to 45 minutes delayed from when they say there's going to be activity to when the activity actually happens, just to keep in mind. It also said there was going to be 100% cloud cover, which there was not any clouds in sight basically. Luckily for us, so we got to see the lights dance, like we visually seen them flickering. I even got my phone camera out and took some videos, which was insane, thinking that just a normal video can actually capture it. Today we're going to go down and get pulled along by dogs on the snow. It's still going to be minus 30, but at least we'll have our furry friends with us to keep us warm. So in the evenings you can go look at the Aurora, but during the day you can go do things like dog sledding or ice fishing. That's Yellowknife, baby.
The company we're using has been into dog sledding for generations. Not just dog generations, but actual family generations. It's a family-run dog sledding team.
He is snuggled up in a blanket.
And they don't just offer tours, they race these dogs too. See, once the dogs get too old to race, or while they're still in training, they take visitors like us for a ride around the frozen lake. It keeps the old boys going while teaching the young ones the ropes. Evelina has beaver mitts here. They were the warmest gloves I've ever had the pleasure to wear. As the sun sets, it was our turn. Due to us being the last of 3 groups, they swapped out the dogs, so we had some good boys with fresh legs ready to pull us along. You jump inside the sled and it's filled with nice warm blankets. Remember, it's still almost minus 30 degrees Celsius. And for some reason, I'm not as scared as what I thought I'd be. Maybe it's because I can feel that these dogs can outrun the cracking ice if they had to. There's only 1 musher per sled, or driver, and depending on the race, they can have up to 14 dogs pulling. The longest race, over 350 kilometers in 5 days, and Winter's uncle actually won it back in the day. Alright, let's get back to chasing the Aurora Borealis.
Thumbs up. We had our dinner, now we're going to go see again. The KPI.
Yeah, the key performance indicator of
The key performance indicator of the Northern Lights isn't looking that good right now, but let's hope that it gets better as the night progresses. It is a little bit cloudier than yesterday, but I think it will show its true colours shortly. Last night was a bust. There was clouds everywhere. We couldn't see anything. All we could see was... we couldn't even see each other. It was that cloudy, wasn't it, babe? Now we're back and ready to go for day number 3. Evelina's planned something. I'm not sure what it is yet. Evelina, are you going to tell me what it is? She's still not telling me what it is. I suppose that's why it's a surprise. So we'll see. Hope she got me a pet shark. So we're just waiting for a red bus now. We just seen a red car, so we got out. And they just drove away, so that wasn't it.
That wasn't it.
We're just waiting for a bus.
Yeah.
Just waiting for a mate. Big red bus.
What a birthday surprise from Evelina.
Let's go snowmobiling. Jump on, babe.
Riding snowmobiles on the same frozen expanse of Great Slave Lake where the sled dogs had taken us just the day before. The trails cut through dense northern forest, winding through until we reached the lake again. Then came the real thrill. Our guide, the bloody legend, let me put the snowmobile into sports mode. His exact instructions, just go straight, don't turn, not even a little. I nodded, gripped the handlebars and went full throttle. Within seconds, I had this beast flying over 100 kilometers an hour across the frozen lake. Unbloody real.
That was cool, huh? So we've parked on the highway and now we're walking through this field of white to this frozen waterfall.
So here we are again trying to find that stupid waterfall. It's right there on the map. How hard could it be? Turns out, very.
Could be here.
Getting nice and cold as we're going towards this waterfall.
That's where the trail starts.
So we decided to turn back around for today and we'll come back tomorrow. It's getting really dark and it looks like it's going to be a little bit more difficult to find than what we thought. We're basically going through that at some point, so...
It's the end of the day already.
Yeah, it's 3:30, it's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
We'll go back, regroup, and come back tomorrow better than ever. Ready, baby?
Yeah.
Waterfall 2, us 0.
Snowing.
Sure.
So with the lights not performing today, we're just gonna go get some dinner, then go have some beers and wrap this one up. Today was awesome, snowmobiling. Thank you, Evelina, for that.
Yeah, no worries.
That was lovely.
No.
Welcome back to the kitchen recap. Today is our last day and we're going to go kicksledding, which is basically dog sledding, but instead of having like a team of 4 to 6, 8 dogs, you only have 2, and it's a small sort of sled. I'm going to go to a waterfall as well, so that should be exciting. I feel like my body is definitely draining due to the cold. Even though we're doing an activity just for 1 hour a day, it definitely takes it out of you for the rest of the day. It's a different beast. Just some tips in case you're thinking of coming to Yellowknife. We were definitely naive with the things that we packed. We packed things like jeans if we were going to go out for a night. Maybe we were going to even go to the gym. But minus 30 is a completely different beast. The second you walk outside, the second you exhale and inhale, your nose hairs start freezing from the condensation. It is crazy. It's been minus 15 yesterday and today as well, and that feels like a heat wave, which is sick.
Aurora Borealis. Ah, that's nice. It is absolutely dumped today. This is therapeutic. Oh yeah.
Next up, kicksledding.
Sorry?
These are the puppers.
Hello. Aw. Hello. Show me what you got.
They felt a little bit like scooters, but with one key difference: a brake pad between your legs to slow you down when the dogs hit warp speed. Our destination today, we're going to the most elusive waterfall to ever exist. And there's only one way to get there: through a cemetery. Kicksledding originally started in Sweden, and back then, people did it without dogs. But one day, someone had the brilliant idea to strap a couple of good boys to the front and watch the chaos unfold, and thus, dog-powered kicksledding was born.
Cool, huh? Oh, bye,
We
guys.
parked the dogs up and headed for the cemetery.
I've never been to a cemetery in the snow.
Yeah, that's true, actually.
Cool. When's it? So cool.
Then around the corner there, yesterday it was different.
So you can actually see it in action. Oh, this is slushy. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Man down.
Yeah, this way's a bad way.
I misled him. Well, it's dripping right there.
Look, I got another leg.
I feel like that classic Halloween.
That cool noise is a raven. Not sure if it's a mating call or a warning that this is his frozen waterfall. Either way, message received. We're gonna head back to the dogs.
Let's get out of here before it attacks us. What's up? You guys ready to rock and roll? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yellowknife pushed us out of our comfort zones in the best way possible. From freezing our
Welcome to
noses off
Yellowknife.
to racing across frozen lakes. We learned that winter up here is no joke, but it's also pure magic. The Aurora danced above us, the dogs raced beneath us, and the snowmobiles sent our adrenaline through the roof.
Cool plane.
We almost lost the battle with this stupid waterfall, but we won a lifetime of memories. If you're looking for an unforgettable Arctic adventure, one that's wild, raw, and still affordable, then Yellowknife in Canada might just be the best place in the world to see the Northern
Alright,
Lights.
see you guys. Film up. You're the crazy one.